Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our channel Fashion Frenzy. Are you thinking of getting a pixie haircut? In this video, we will show you the best pixie haircut from this stylish and versatile look. A classic pixie haircut is a short style with choppy layers typically cut close to the head with longer hairs on top. It's low maintenance look that suits many face shapes and styles. And one of the best things about a pixie haircut is it's versatile. You can style it in many ways, from many and undone to sleek and polished. To style your pixie haircut, use a bit of texture, paste or pomade to add your volume and texture. You can also use a hairspray to keep your style in place all days. So thanks for watching. We hope this video has given you a better idea of what to understand from a pixie haircut. Let us know in comments. If you have any question, don't forget to like or subscribe for more beauty and fashion contents. So friends, pressing the bell icon, you will get all the new notifications of upcoming and uploaded videos. So friends, I always try my best to bring useful content, useful ideas, and don't forget your feedback. What is the next video? See you soon.